Hello everyone, this is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to use the mobile Google Docs app to edit Microsoft Word documents. And this is a really cool feature of the mobile app. It's built into the app, whether it's an Android version or the iOS version, which I'm using right now. And it makes it possible to perform very simple edits to a Microsoft Word document. So here we have my Docs home screen. You can see all the files that I have available here. There's quite a few of them. Now, for your reference, the W means that it's a Word document, and the blue square with the white lines, that means it's a Google Docs file. And of course, you can edit a Google Docs file, but the Microsoft Word editing, that might be new to you. So let's take a look at the Save the Dates document. I can see just by looking at the little preview that it's pretty detailed, and I want to do some edits there. So I'm going to tap that. And it's going to bring it up. All right, 5th grade, 2016, save the dates. Let's say that I'm helping to edit this particular document and I want to take out one of the dates. So all I would do is basically tap my finger. This is a Microsoft Word document, by the way. Tap my finger into the text and then start using the back button to delete that. There's some very basic formatting that's available. So let's say that I wanted to highlight this date. Select that. Select the 27th. I want to make, I could cut it or copy it or paste it, or I wanted to just add some really simple formatting. So let's say I want to make that bold because I want to make people pay attention to that date. There's all kinds of simple options you can use. In the bolding, for instance, I got that by selecting the text, select that word, and then tapping the A button in the upper right corner with the line sticking out of it, and that brings up a very simple formatting window. You can do things like change the font, text color, size, underline it, italicize it, etc. Okay. So once you're done with the edits, then you would just hit the check mark up there. Okay, it's just saved what I've done. One thing to note, the editing is very basic. So I'm able to add or delete text. I can do some very simple formatting, but I can't do anything like add a header or a footer to the document, page numbers, do references, do a TOC, table of contents, or anything like that. For that, you really do have to use the desktop version of Microsoft Word. But for very simple edits, let's say that you're on a trip, a business trip, and you need to quickly edit a document. This is a great feature to do it. And then, of course, once you're done, you can either go back to the Google Docs main screen by hitting the arrow button in the upper left corner, or see the More Actions icon in the upper right corner, and that's the three dots. You can basically tap that to share it and export it. Let's say I wanted to make a copy or save it as a Google Docs file, I could do that, or copy a link to the clipboard, which means I could paste it into a text message or Facebook or something like that. There are some pretty good options for sharing and exporting it. And then, of course, the silhouette icon, upper right corner, that lets you do some collaboration, edit with others. But you have to save it as a Google Docs file first. So in any case, to learn more about using the Office compatibility mode, which lets you edit Microsoft Word documents inside Google Docs, either the mobile app or the web version of Google Docs, check out my book in 30 minutes at in30minutes.com. It's called Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.